Welcome to First at 4. I'm Whitney Fowkes. Here's a quick look at today's top stories. The South Dakota Department of Health says 2 more people have died due to COVID-19. The 2 new deaths include 1 woman and 1 man. They were from Minnehaha and Buffalo County. This brings the total number of deaths to 93. 62 new positive cases were also announced today. Total active cases sits at 800. The latest on the coronavirus in South Dakota can be found online right now. U.S. Representative Dusty Johnson spoke with CNN's Chris Cuomo Wednesday night about the upcoming fireworks display at Mount Rushmore. Cuomo asked Johnson why masks are not being required at the event. You can hear Representative Johnson's response in this story right now on KELOLAND.com. Preparations for the return of fireworks at Mount Rushmore continue. Yesterday, crews were using a high-line system to move the fireworks from the ground to the top of the sculpture. The Mount Rushmore National Memorial will close at 12:01 a.m. Mountain Time on Friday in preparation for the event. If you are attending the fireworks show at Mount Rushmore, everything you need to know can be found on KELOLAND.com. It was a busy morning for fire crews in Coleman as a large fire broke out at an industrial building in town. Around 4:30 this morning, crews were called to T&R Electric Supply Company. Fire Chief Jason Landis says that by the time they got on the scene, one of the buildings was already fully engulfed in flames. Crews tell KELOLAND News 3 buildings have been damaged. 2 are completely destroyed. In a KELOLAND.com original now online, after the passing of Senate Bill 2, a simple number will be able to provide resources for the entire state of South Dakota. Since 2001, the Helpline Center provided several communities with support for financial, family, mental health, or disaster-related situations. Over the years, the organization has been expanding, but after the passing of this bill, the whole state will be covered. All 66 counties in South Dakota now have access to the Helpline Center 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. From the Capitol News Bureau in Pierre, a wrist injury to a nursing home employee 8 years ago has the South Dakota Department of Labor and Regulation now looking at changing a rule about when a workers' compensation claim can be dismissed. The proposal comes in the wake of a South Dakota Supreme Court decision in March. The justices found in favor of Christina LaPlante, who was injured while working as a certified nurse assistant at Golden Living Center in Madison. You can find the full report from Capitol News Bureau reporter Bob Mercer in this story online right now. Scroll down on the First at 4 story for a look at today's forecast from the KELOLAND Live Doppler HD Storm Center. That's First at 4 on this Wednesday afternoon. I'm Whitney Fowkes. For the latest updates, download the KELOLAND News app.